We about to have a vibe. Seen 37 on 3 times on the way to the airport. Probably netted like $1,300 off a Dodge spot on the plane, 30,000 feet up in the air. We got a stallion put my bag together right now. You know what I'm saying? In the Miami way.
I just didn't entertain my first EP. Yeah, to the looks first. To the looks. All of the weed I'm smoking on high. Purple, it got me swerving. I'm swerving. I cannot help it. The only thing that I ain't do probably will follow.
This shit went up for real. That's crazy. Like when we was on the plane, I woke up after the drink, and then somebody said something about Dodge shit. Just how I was told you I was gonna go down. Like and make a double bottom. That shit came. I was like, I got in right on the entry. I mean on the wick, and then I got out right before the period separator. My max profit was like 1,500, but then the price froze for 15 minutes. And then when it opened back up, it got back up to 1,200. I just went ahead and took it. Cause usually when the period separator cross, price will dump before it go back up, even if it's an upward trend. So I didn't want to get taxed and lose profit waiting on it to go back up. But if I would have, this shit's still going up. Like this shit's still, the whole time it's just going up. Since it opened, the first 33 minutes just, but it's all good. This was like 800 when we took off. You know what I'm saying? Like, and literally when I woke up to the drinks, I turned on my Wi-Fi and got in some shit. Before we can go in there, bit, it's big EURODOES, not the EURODON'T. If it was don't, you wouldn't even be looking at me looking at it like this. First and foremost. Look at the tree, look at the views, man. There's all type of colors you ain't never even seen before. If you got your screen on 4K, you see what I mean.
Got that turn the resolution up a little bit.
All it is eating, I can't help for smacking. He'll be my host and my pistol ain't lacking. My gun do the none of my business.
Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Yes, sir. There's a bathroom over there. Ain't nothing else to do except get some weed. Ain't nothing else to do but get some weed, man. Dude, what the, probably the washroom. Oh, they take the straight to the motion. And a motion, put the level straight in there. Lights on in there, dude. Somebody did it. I don't know who room this is. I don't think it's mine. They have a motion. Yes, sir. Them folk got you fresh towels, fresh. When you don't play with them, they don't play with you. I don't usually do the leave it 2,000, but usually you gotta come bring your own soap and towels and shit. You know what I'm saying? Hello. Oh, see, yeah, they're probably mine. Yeah, this look like it got my name on it. It look like about my speed. King bed. Bathroom looking like somebody just got hit. About to get hit. Oh, yeah. EURODOES, not Euro. Don't.
Shoot up your show.
It's EURODOES, it ain't you. Only thing that I ain't do, probably fall asleep on cruise. I fell asleep on ferry, London friends, yeah. How about you?
They be talking about the memes, the whole wanna get fucked on the side of fucked out the balcony. Hello. Ain't nothing else to do. Ain't nothing else to do. This is Bob. There's one deck down here, got another deck right here. We got another whole level of floor to go to. What you over with?
Walking out the room, I told you 3 billion, say much gonna get no cap, I'm about to move.
Shooting videos galore out this bit, man. Oh man, oh man. Oh, to the goddamn man. You said what happened?
I said this time.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. The video is gonna be crazy.
You gonna like to land on the moon 2022, what you gonna do? Tryna figure out what type of boots I'm gonna wear. Pancake swap, no soggy waffles over here. Giving out free sauce, I don't even really care. Cause all they gonna do is pump it. Cause all that's gonna do is pumping and all.
It ain't nothing else to do. I ain't even putting this on my IG. They gotta pay me for my close friend. Close friend this weekend. We done bought new laptops right before the flight, still in plastic. Talking about 4K resolution, game, laptop, 1 terabyte space. It ain't nothing else to do. We ain't come to play with.